안녕하세요 친구들, 짬입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. Today's video is inspired by the Netflix K-drama 안나라수마나라 or The Sound of Magic. And this video will be a full stamping nail art video. I won't be painting anything in freehand, so let's speed things up and I hope you guys enjoy the whole process. For my index nail, it'll be inspired by the fireworks and the Ferris wheel scene. For my middle nail, it's inspired by the musical number where they rode the carousel, and the horses suddenly flew. For my ring nail, it's gonna be the magician's butterfly. For my pinky, it's gonna be inspired by the magician's hat. And as for my thumbnail, it's gonna be inspired by the carousel. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome chingus, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. 크게 오늘의야 여러분, 비디오를 봐주셔서 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 만나요. 안녕!